Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam's weeping the whole night. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam once kept weeping the whole night through, repeating again and again the following verse: إن تعذبهم فإنهم عبادك وإن تغفر لهم فإنك أنت العزيز الحكيم, which means, if thou punish them, they are thy slaves, and if thou forgive them, thou only art the mighty, the wise. It is said about Imam Abu Hanifa rahmatullah alayh that he also once wept the whole night reciting the following verse of the Quran in Tahajjud: وَامْتَازُوا الْيَوْمَ أَيُّهَا الْمُجْرِمُونَ, Surah Yasin, verse 58, which means, but avaunt you, O you guilty, this day. This verse means that on the day of judgment, the guilty will be asked to separate themselves from the good, and will not be allowed to mix with them as they were doing in the worldly life. Why should not the people with fear of Allah in their hearts weep in anxiety regarding which class they will belong to on that day?